Farmer Ben's New Animal Fence by Abigail Funk. I'm getting 2 new horses this week. I know that this pasture is rectangular. What do you want to know about the pasture that you have to know it's rectangular? Well, Ripley, I'm trying to find the perimeter so I can put up the fence. I also need to know what animals I can put in this pasture. Do you want to help me? Sure. Now, Ripley, I have a couple of options for my animals. I can move my goats Pippa and Lolly over to the new fenced area if it is bigger than 1,000 feet. Okay, I can remember that. My second option is moving my 32 sheep over to the new fenced area if it is bigger than 1,300 feet. Wow, that's a lot of animals to move. I can remember that too. The last option I have is to keep my goats and sheep where they are and put my 2 new horses in the fenced area. I can only do that if the area is bigger than 1,500 feet. That would be really easy, Farmer Ben. I can remember all this. Okay, Ripley, I know that the littler sides of the rectangle are the same number of feet as one side of my house, which is 350 feet. I need to find out the length of the long side of the rectangle. Well, we could walk the long side of the pasture and count the number of feet. You'd help me with that? Of course. That makes 550 feet. I'm exhausted. Well, thanks for walking with me. I have to do some math now. Want to help? I have to see how this ends. I need to know what animals end up in this pasture. Don't you remember, Farmer Ben? Oh, yes. To calculate perimeter, we have to take one side and add the other. So 350 feet plus 550 feet. That equals 950 feet. Correct. Remember that is only 2 sides, one little side and one long side. We can now add 900 feet plus 900 feet. That will give us our total perimeter. That equals 1,800 feet. Farmer Ben, that means the horses can be put in this pasture, and the other animals can stay where they are. Ripley, how did we figure out the horses get to stay in this pasture? Well, Farmer Ben, we took the littler side, which was 350 feet, and added it to the longer side, which was 550 feet. Yes. Then we took the total of that, which was 900 feet, and added that again. Do you know why? Because we only had one little side and one long side to make the 900 feet. That is only half. Correct. So 900 feet added to 900 feet equals 1,800 feet. That is the total. Very good. Thanks, Farmer Ben.